Hi everyone, here we've got a ULEFONE Note 8P and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer and tap on this 3 dot icon in the right upper corner, and it doesn't matter if you will be on the contacts, resets or favorites. So let's tap on it and enter the settings. Here we have to enter blocked numbers, and as you can see here we've got the whole section with blocked numbers, which is right now empty. So in order to add a number to a blacklist, just tap on this option, and as you can see right now you can manually enter the number you want to block and tap on block, and as you can see it actually immediately appears on the blacklist, so it means that you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. What's more, here we've got the option unknown, so after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will block calls from all unidentified callers, so it's quite a cool idea. But if you would like to turn it off, just tap on it. If you want to remove the number from a blacklist, all you have to do is to simply tap on this X button and confirm it with tapping on unblock, and as you can see it immediately disappears, so it means that obviously you will receive incoming calls and text messages from it. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your ULEFONE Note 8P. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.